Today is Monday, the 30th of March 2026, and of course, it is in Deriv for today's synthetic analysis. Now, just in case you don't know the work of Deriv, you can check the description. I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram, and for my Telegram, you have access to this broker. All right, so on volatility 75 1 seconds, you'll be marking out our previous level, which is the previous high. Oh, awesome. Okay. Now the market is currently there. So let's see what it is doing on 15-minute chart. Have we seen the market rejecting this and moving bullish? Have we seen it breaking straight into this and going bearish? All right. So on the 15-minute chart, so I'm going to be waiting for the market to see what it does. If it can actually break above this, close above this, then I'll be looking for long trades. So let's see. So going longer here. Okay. So yeah, the two option. You go long right here, target this, or then you just wait for the market to break above this to go long. Then for me, I'll be going long right here, then putting my stop at this level. And of course, if it's getting me stopped, that means that then I can be looking for short trades based on the formation I'm seeing. Then for now, I'll be thinking of going long on volatility 5 1 seconds. Then that is if this coin candle closes bullish into the zone right here, then that's when I'll be going on, just where my entry is. That's where I'll be going on, then my stop loss is going to be right here. Or then I can just wait after the market closes above this, you can still go long here, or then you can still go long here, depending on when you see this particular video. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed or if you haven't joined the channel, please do well to make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to follow depending on where you're watching from, so you don't miss any episode. You get it just as when it is released. All right, so that's volatility 75 1 second. Okay, so go to volatility 75 itself. All right. So this volatility 75. Okay. This is a level right here. Volatility 75, but then I can't guarantee that yet because this market seems to be moving in a ranging pattern all this while. You can see right here, they have been moving in a ranging pattern. So what I'll be doing for me to go, I just wait to the market to get below this, close below this, then I look for short trades and I can now go ahead and target my stop, which is I think I saw the stop. Then go to the 4-hour chart so I can mark it pretty well. Good. So you can see it right here. So remember, you mustn't target this. 1 is to 2 is still okay, but then that's actually where I expect the market to get to. So let's see. Let's go back to the 15-minute chart. So here's a 15-minute chart. Here's where my entry comes in, and of course my stop loss is above this previous level. That is my what's it called? My setup on volatility 75. Okay, so let's go to the boom index. We'll be starting off with boom 500. All right. Okay. On boom 500, let's go to the 4-hour chart. I'm not really comfortable with the chart of BOM 500. So that means today I'm likely not to look for any trade. I'm not looking for any setup today on BOM 500. So I'm not taking any trade on 500. If I'm going to look for any trade, if the market gets to this level or this level. So if it gets to this level, I look at the candlestick formation. If it's actually giving bearish, I can go bearish. Or then if it gets it's already going bearish, yeah, I can look for long trade. But then remember, if I happen to break below that, I say for now I'm not doing anything on it. I just put it on my watch list to see what it does when it gets to this level and this level. Alright, so let's go to the next one, which is still boom, but then if you're looking at the boom 1000. Wow, looking very, very bearish. So let's go to the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, breaking below this. Alright. Okay, so here's my setup on boom 1000. So here's what I'll be looking out for. Wait for the market to get to my entry, then that's where my stop loss is, and my take profit is 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. Alright, so let's go to the cash index of it. Be starting up also with the cash 500. To the 4-hour chart. Looking very bullish, so I'm looking for just bullish setups. I'm not looking for any bearish trade. My stop loss, I'm targeting this below this. Then my take profits minimum of 1:2 weeks to reward ratio. The quantity is 1:3 weeks to reward ratio. Alright, so that's that for cash 500. That's actually straightforward. So I go to the final one, which is cash 1000. I go to the 4-hour charts. Okay, breaking below this. So let's see if we're gonna see the market moving straight out of that and then coming to next to target to this next level right here. So let's go on the 15-minute chart. Alright, so on the 15-minute chart, actually still very bearish, but then we look for a bearish candlestick to close again. Remember, this is the first move, the retest. So wait for the first bearish candle to close. You can get a bearish candle close into this. That's when you'll be going short on cash 1000. So let's wait for the first bearish candle to close into this zone and we'll go short on it. This is going to be our next target. Alright, due to the end of the analysis with Deriv. Remember I said Deriv is actually a broker available worldwide. Their link is in the description. It's in my Telegram channel. And to get access to my Telegram, just go to my description. You see the link to my Telegram. For my Telegram, you have access to this broker right there. Alright, that's it. I wish you a profitable day trader. Please ensure you stay safe, you trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.